One thing I don't have now, but would love to own in the future, is a luxurious house, specifically a modern mansion with cutting-edge amenities and stunning design. I've been dreaming about owning such a home for around 5 years now. I first encountered the concept of a luxurious mansion through a magazine article about dream homes. This particular house has captured my imagination by sleek, contemporary mansion with expansive glass walls, a rooftop garden, and an infinity pool. The design was so striking that I couldn't help but picture myself living in such a space. There are several reasons why I would love to own a luxurious house. Firstly, it represents a significant personal achievement and a symbol of success. The idea of having a space that's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also tailored to one's own tastes and needs is incredibly appealing. Secondly, such a house would offer unparalleled comfort and convenience. Features like a home cinema, a state-of-the-art kitchen, and a spacious garden would make daily life exceptionally enjoyable. Additionally, owning a luxurious house would provide a perfect setting for entertaining guests and hosting events. The open-plan living areas and beautifully designed outdoor spaces would be ideal for gatherings, and the luxurious amenities would make these occasions even more special. In summary, a luxurious house embodies more than just opulence for me. It represents a dream of success, comfort, and the ability to create a beautiful living environment. It's something I aspire to own in the future and look forward to making a reality.